I think everything that I wanted to say or express has been already said. I mean, the course was beautifully designed. The contents of the course were like amazing. I think I had asked Sangeeta because I was planning to do it since a long time, but then due to some or the other reason, I was not getting that, uh, you know, thing कि चलो करना ही है. And then my husband's like, why you, just like Nidavi also said that कि अभी कर लो, अभी कितना time, you're just saying since a long time. But that's how I asked Sahita. And yeah, she was like, just call and ask. But and then I went through your Instagram profile and I just like the contents that after you messaged me. And then when the course started, I think it was very convincing to what it was advertised, like Amrita also said. So sometimes it's like it's just put it out on social media and then it's the course is not up to the mark or something like that. So I liked all the sessions, though I just missed the Garbha Sanskara session once. I could not attend it even. I've not yet seen the recording also. But yeah, I plan to do that now once the course finishes. And also the whole thing about the pregnancy where it's shown that, oh, it's like uh, a woman has to go through the pain and labor is painful or delivery is painful. I think I mean the sessions kind of made a shift in me, saying that it's not, yeah, of course the process may be painful, but there are things that you can do to manage that entire process. And it's not like how it is shown. Or I mean, since we are not mothers, since we've not understood the whole process, but as yoga teachers, we kind of know how to manage things. And so I think all of that was beautifully covered in this entire course. And I have also started applying Dipali ma'am's meditation techniques to my own practice, not just the students. So I think it's a beautiful way of for someone who's always low on energy. We find that a lot nowadays. So it's nice to even experience that on yourself and then share it with the students. Another thing I wanted to share is uh, I just love the way how you've conducted all the classes, even Dipali ma'am. I mean, all the questions, whatever questions we had, were answered so patiently, in such a calm and a composed manner. I think there was no question that was left unanswered. So it was just beautiful. I think everyone has said everything, so I won't say much. But my experience of doing this course is amazing, and I'm looking forward to the hormonal healing course because I think this entire process is now kind of making me more inquisitive about this whole process. Like I said, initially it was just taking up a few classes one to one, the students who've practiced and then they got pregnant and then they ask you, like, they want to learn from you only because they have that personal touch with you and they don't want. But then I was very initially I was very hesitant to kind of take that up. And that was one main reason that also, yeah, I want to kind of dig deeper into this topic as well. So that really was, I think for me, that was an achievement to kind of do this, and also got me more curious now to learn about the hormonal healing course. And maybe the next time, whenever possible, I want to do the anatomy course also to kind of, help myself and the students in this entire journey. And of course, when the students start getting pregnant, it's easier to answer to their questions confidently. As I Because just reading through books doesn't really help. I mean, that's good for an experience, but the case study, like Amrita said, it was so nice because the previous TTCs that we've done, it's just like you study and then give the exam. But the design, like the case study is like, oh, I'm actually reading through the books, I'm studying from the notes, oh, what she had said, then going back to the recording. It was that whole process made it so um, nice for learning. So I think that case study and the practical exam, I couldn't do much because my internet was showing up weirdly. So the whole experience from the starting to end was a nice one. I think I took in a lot, and hopefully I can share it with the students as much as I can further. And looking forward to the next one. Thank you so much, Nisha ma'am, Dipali ma'am, and everyone else. Thank you so much.